Hi everyone! If you want to play millions of games and experiences on your Android phone, installing Roblox only takes a few minutes. As long as you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space, you can download the official app directly from the Google Play Store. Follow these simple steps to install Roblox and start playing with friends or exploring games created by the Roblox community. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store from your home screen or app drawer. Make sure you're signed in with a Google account so you can download apps. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type Roblox, and press the search icon on your keyboard. You'll see several results, so look for the official Roblox app developed by Roblox Corporation. This ensures you're downloading the genuine version of the game. Now tap the Install button. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing Roblox automatically. The download time depends on your internet speed, so wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. It's best to stay connected to Wi-Fi if possible, especially if you have limited mobile data. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Roblox immediately. You can also find the Roblox icon, which looks like a tilted silver square, on your home screen or in your app drawer. When Roblox opens for the first time, sign in with your existing account or tap Sign Up to create a new one for free. After logging in, you can browse thousands of games, customize your avatar, add friends, and join multiplayer experiences. And that's it. You have successfully installed Roblox on your Android phone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Happy gaming!